So students, now before we start the practicals, I would like to acquaint you with the various apparatus you'll be using for this experiment. This experiment is on volumetric analysis and acid-base titration experiment. Now, the glassware before you, in front of me, these are their names. This is measuring cylinder. This is a measuring cylinder. Then this is a beaker. The beaker and the measuring cylinder comes in different sizes. I take it again. Measuring cylinder, beaker, your conical flask, your pipettes, burettes, dropper. This is your dropper for adding drops of the indicator to the base. Make sure you pipette 25 cm cube of the base into the conical flask. This is a conical flask, not into the beaker. You pipette 25 cm cube of the base into the conical flask. Then add 2 drops of the indicator. This is the indicator. The indicator is methyl orange. When you add 2 drops, this is the color that you are going to have. This is the color you will have after adding 2 drops. Then you now open the tap and allow the acid to run into the conical flask until you get to the end point. At the end point, this should be the color. This is the color of this end point. This is the end point color. Make sure the 2 colors are different. Are they the same? This one appears to be yellow, but the end point color is light red. So thank you so much. Then for your readings, make sure you tabulate them in this manner. Make sure the volume of pipette is stated and the indicator used is also stated, so you don't miss some marks, some important marks. Then tabulate your readings in this manner as it is on the board. Make sure your readings are to 2 decimal places. Then you don't use the raw for your calculation. You don't use the raw for your calculation. So all the readings must be in 2 decimal places. And the values you are using, you can look at my values. I'm not saying this is my endpoint. This is the endpoint. I'm not giving you the endpoint. All of you will do your own experiment and find out the endpoint yourself. So if you look at my endpoints, I'm using 1, 2, 3. You can just do 2 of them after. You must not do 3. You must not do up to 3 titers, 3 titrations after the rough. You can just do 2. If you have 2 values after the rough, that means you are going to add up those 2 values and divide by 2 to get your average volume of acid used. But as it is on the board, I have 3 values after the rough. I have 13.7, 13.60, 13.70. Look at their difference. The difference between the 3 values is 0.10. Ensure that the values you are using for your calculation, the difference between them does not exceed 0.20. For instance, if this is 13.70, none of them here should be 14.0 because 14.0 minus what? 13.7 is what? 0.30. The difference between the values you are using for calculating your average volume of acid use must not exceed 0.2. So thank you so much. You can go on with the practicals.